In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create an account on the REDnote social app. It's easy to set up, so let's get started. First, make sure you've already downloaded and installed the REDnote app. While parts of the app may still appear in Chinese, don't worry. It's simple to navigate. Once installed, open the app and agree to the terms of service. Allow any necessary permissions and proceed through the initial setup screens. When it comes to logging in, you have a few options. You can choose to sign in with your phone number by selecting your country code and entering your number. Alternatively, you can use other login methods like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Simply select the method that's most convenient for you. For instance, if you're using Google, just follow the prompts to grant access to your account. If you opt for your phone number, you'll receive a verification code. Enter it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in a few details, including your gender and age. The options for gender may still be in Chinese, but selecting them is straightforward. After that, you'll need to choose at least 4 interests, such as travel, fitness, movies, or vlogs. These preferences will help tailor the content you see on the app. Once your profile is set up, you're all set to explore. You can start browsing videos and connecting with content that matches your selected interests. Over time, more English-friendly features are expected to roll out, enhancing your experience even further. And that's it. You've successfully created your REDnote account and can now dive into everything the app has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials.